Are you struggling to get more cleaning clients? Well, what if you could double your bookings with just a few tweaks using Google Ads? See, most cleaning businesses waste money on ads that don't work and don't bring in clients. They're targeting the wrong people with the wrong message, and it's costing them big time. Well, that's where my Google Ads course comes in. I've helped hundreds of cleaning business owners get better results from their ad spend, turning wasted clicks into consistent booking. So in this course, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up, optimize, and run Google Ads that convert. I've helped cleaning businesses grow for over 12 years now. I've used everything from radio, TV, postcards, SEO, email, text message marketing, of course, Google Ads, and almost everything else in my own cleaning business and in some of the businesses of my clients. And I figured out what works and what doesn't work. And frankly, Google Ads is one of the biggest bang for your buck for most cleaners. So what I did with this course is I broke down my step-by-step strategy so that you can use it and have the same success. Now, in this course, you're going to learn how to reach more of the clients that you actually want. That's one of the greatest things about Google Ads. You can pick the exact neighborhood, area of town, part of town. You don't even have to advertise to your whole city, and you can reach those clients and actually get those clients. You can stop wasting money on ineffective ads that don't work, and you can create Google Ad campaigns that actually bring in cleaning bookings. So imagine having your calendar full week after week. So if you're ready to take control of your advertising and start using Google Ads effectively, click the link below this video and find out about my Google Ads course. Right now, I've got a special bonus that's going on for a limited time. If you sign up, if it still says free bonus where you can get a review from me, then you can get a free review. If this is a $300 value, I really don't do this for anybody else for anything less, where I'll actually spend 10 or 15 minutes going over your Google Ads, showing you what you did good, what you did that needs to be improved, and showing you what to do to make your ads work better. Now, this alone often, and I'm not kidding about this, is pretty regularly saved my clients at least a few hundred, depending on how much money they're spending on advertising, really. Saved anywhere from a few hundred, sometimes to thousands of dollars. They're spending quite a bit per month on the wasted spend that they've got going on. So that alone can save you quite a bit over the course of even just a few months. Now, there are two ways to join. You can sign up for the course alone with just a one-time payment. Check out the link below this video. Or you can join the Ad Coaching Club, where as long as you're a member, you get full access to the course, to all the keyword lists, to all the ad examples, to all the reports, to everything that's included. So don't let another week go by without getting results to your advertising. Sign up now and see how it can actually be one of the best ways to attract new clients in your cleaning business.